I'm going to be doing this with a compass, just so you know. Compass. What we're going to do is first start with a working line. So we need to have something to start with. On that working line, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 points on it. Doesn't matter where, I just need 2 points to make it easy to construct a perpendicular bisector. So what I do next is I make sure that my compass is set so it's more than half the distance, and this is where I swing an arc above and below the line, like that, from each side of each point that I constructed on the line. These intersect at the perpendicular bisector. So if I connect these with a nice line, I have that capability. I'm going to go ahead and do that. If I connect these, then that forms a perpendicular right there. And that is the basis of my square. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a distance using my compass, and let's just go with that right there. And so what I'm going to make are some arcs starting at this 90-degree angle. Now this is going to be my side length, so then I simply make an arc here, and I'm going to make an arc up here. This is going to represent 2 of the sides of my square. Now I do have to extend this line. That's not that big of a deal. I just make it a little bit longer. So now it crosses through that point. So these 2 sides, starting right here, these 3 points on here. So now what I do is I take the compass and I move it over to each of the intersection points there, and I swing an arc out in space where I think it's going to cover and make it a little bit longer than I needed to. I'm going to do the same from the other point. And what will happen is I'll create an intersection, and that is going to be, well, that's going to represent the other sides of my square as such. That's it.